Welcome to week 1 of 4th grade text structure. I'm really excited to get you guys started on this first week of work. I think you're really going to enjoy exploring the different technology that I have ready for you guys, and hopefully it really gets you that extra practice you need to make you experts at our text structure strategies that we have been looking at in our face-to-face classroom. First off, I just want to walk you through what this first week is going to look like, so then you have a pretty good idea about how the rest of the class is going to work. As you can see, as I start to scroll through this first page, it's laid out pretty simply. We have our videos at the beginning that will first explain, as I am right now, kind of the week's tasks and how you're going to go about completing them, as well as for this first week I have a video that's going to help you walk through the kids blog page that we're going to be using each week as well. After you watch the videos for the week, you'll be able to get started with the steps. Each week will have at least 3 steps, so it's just laid out. Step 1 is going to be your readings for the week. During the 4 weeks, you're going to cover 4 different text structure strategies, and I have found texts that I think will really help incorporate those skills pretty easily. So for the first week, you're going to have 2 readings, Follow That Koala and Frogs at Risk. All you have to do is click on the links and your readings will pop up and you'll be good to go. Once you've finished your readings, the first thing I want you to do is come here and look at your Venn diagram checklist, or whatever checklist is put in place for the week that you're on. It's really important that you look at the checklist so that you know what I expect from you when you're done with your assignment. So as we can see here, the Venn diagram has 3 checks that need to be marked off. And it's really easy to just go through and check them off as you complete them so you know how much you have left to do. From there, I'm going to go ahead and click on our first web tool that we're going to use, which is called a Venn diagram builder. This is going to look a little bit different in each week because each week you'll be exploring a different tool, but for now I'm going to show you week 1. So I double clicked on Venn diagram builder and it's going to pop up to this page, which is the very first step in creating your diagram. Since we're only reading 2 stories, we're going to choose a 2-circle diagram. And from there, you can name your document and label each side with the story that it's going to represent. As we've seen in other Venn diagrams that we've explored in class, the center is for the similarities between the 2 stories that we read. And then each side is designated for one of the 2 stories. Once you've completed this, you need to take a screenshot of the Venn diagram that you've completed. Now we've done screenshots in the past, but just to refresh you, all we have to do to take a screenshot is push Shift, Command, 4. From there, you click at the top point that you want to take an image of and drag until the little box covers all of the area that you want to capture. You release, and the image will automatically save to our desktop. And this will help us once we are ready for step 3, which I'm going to take you back to right now. So we're going to go back to our step 3 of week 1. This is where our kids blog comes into play. The idea behind the kids blog is in the video at the top, and you can stop watching this video and watch the quick intro to our blog to find out about the rest of this assignment. Again, if you guys have any questions, remember our questions page right here, and feel free to answer questions from your classmates and ask questions in person to me and your peers. Good luck, everyone. Enjoy.